OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT directly inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Not an export button, not a Chrome extension. The AI lives in the app now. You type one sentence and it builds the entire deck. Slides, speaker notes, layouts, all of it. And the part nobody is talking about yet is what this does to the presentation design market. Because the skill that used to separate amateurs from professionals just became free infrastructure. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. And at the end, I am walking you through the one configuration trick that makes these decks look like they came from a real design team instead of a prompt. You are going to want that. I am Paul James. I show solo operators and freelancers how to use free AI tools to replace expensive software and turn that savings into actual service income. If you got value from this already, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full step-by-step framework I use to turn tools like this one into real client work, my 333 method course is under $30 for viewers of this video instead of $195. That is not a typo. That pricing only shows for people coming from this video, and it is only there for a limited time. It is linked in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to grab it at that price. I want to see who is in. Here's the problem. Most presentation platforms lock their best features behind paid plans. Beautiful.ai charges $12 a month. Canva Pro is $13. And if you hire a freelance designer to build a client proposal deck from scratch, you are looking at $50 to $150 per project. That cost structure makes sense if you are already running an established agency. But if you are starting from nothing, that is a subscription tax you are paying before you have closed your first client. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like this one matter. Most of the expensive platforms being sold to beginners exist because someone is getting paid to recommend them. The tools I cover give you the same capability without the subscription overhead. ChatGPT inside PowerPoint is the latest example of that shift. This is what I call the zero draft framework. It is not about replacing your creative judgment. It is about collapsing the time between idea and first version so you can spend your energy on what actually matters: client interaction and iteration. The framework has 3 layers. Layer 1 generates structure, Layer 2 refines content, Layer 3 handles visual polish. Most people try to do all 3 at once and burn hours. This splits them into separate steps that take minutes each. Here's how it works. Open PowerPoint. You will see a new ChatGPT icon in the ribbon at the top. Click it. The side panel opens. Type a 1-sentence prompt describing what you need. Example, create a 10-slide SEO audit deck for a local plumbing company. Hit enter. ChatGPT builds the entire presentation in under 30 seconds. Titles, bullet points, speaker notes, section breaks, layouts assigned automatically. Now here's where this actually changes something for solo operators selling presentation design or SEO reporting. One session with this tool. A plumber hands you their Google My Business data and asks for a quarterly performance deck. You plug the raw numbers into a prompt. The AI generates a 15-slide report with graphs, recommendations, and next steps. That used to take 3 hours of manual slide building. With this stack, it takes 20 minutes, and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $250 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. Think about what that means if you're delivering reports every month. Marketing consultants, accountants, SEO specialists, even virtual assistants all spend time turning information into presentations clients can understand. Instead of rebuilding the same deck every month, you're starting with a complete first draft. You spend your time checking the numbers, adding your recommendations, and making the presentation specific to that client. The repetitive work disappears, but the value you're providing stays exactly the same. Clients are paying for your expertise, not for how many hours you spent moving text boxes around. You can edit existing decks the same way. Open any PowerPoint file, ask ChatGPT to shorten it to 5 slides, or adjust the tone to be more formal, or add a section on competitive analysis. The AI rewrites in real time without breaking your layouts. You can also upload PDFs or Word documents. The integration converts them into slides automatically. I tested this with a 10-page Word doc. ChatGPT turned it into a 20-slide training deck with proper headings and formatted bullets in under a minute. And listen, if you have not already grabbed my 333 method course, it is under $30 for viewers of this video instead of $195. That pricing is exclusive to this video and it is only live for a limited time. The link is in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are taking me up on that. I want to see who is grabbing it. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is a real scenario. A chiropractor wants a pitch deck to present their services at a local business expo. You sit down with them for 30 minutes. Record the conversation, run the transcript through ChatGPT with the prompt. Turn this into a 12-slide pitch deck with a services overview, pricing breakdown, and case studies section. The AI generates it. You spend 15 minutes adjusting headlines and swapping in their brand colors. Total time invested 1 hour. You charge $300. Most design platforms in this space lock slide templates and brand kits behind premium tiers. Your version ran on free infrastructure. Now, most people take what I just showed you and hand it straight to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one design step you have to handle manually or the deck looks generic. I am walking you through that in the next 60 seconds. The tool works across every ChatGPT tier. Free accounts get full access. So do Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise users. The integration is live right now. No waitlist. Think about what this opens up for someone offering 3 services: presentation design, SEO content creation, client proposals, presentation design first. A real estate agent needs a listing deck for a luxury property. You use this to generate the structure in 5 minutes, polish it in another 10, charge $250. Most freelance designers on Fiverr charge between $50 and $150 for the same deliverable. You just undercut them on price and beat them on turnaround time. SEO content creation, second. Presentations are searchable content. You build a 20-slide deck on local SEO strategies. Upload it to SlideShare. Embed it on a blog post. That deck becomes a backlink generator and a lead magnet. You can repurpose it into 5 blog posts targeting different long-tail keywords. One piece of content turns into 6 distribution channels. That kind of content velocity used to require a team. Now it is a solo operator workflow. Client proposals third. A landscaping company asks for a proposal deck to pitch a municipal contract. You upload their service list and past project photos. ChatGPT generates a 15-slide proposal with pricing, timelines, and case studies. You charge $300 for the setup. They win the contract. You just became the person they call every time they need a deck. That is recurring income from a skill you learned in one afternoon. You could also offer workshop presentations. Coaches, consultants, and local business owners regularly give talks to networking groups and industry associations. Many of them have great ideas but terrible slides. Have a short discovery call, collect their notes, and let ChatGPT build the first version of the presentation. You spend the remaining time improving the flow and branding instead of designing every slide from scratch. It's a service that's easy to package because the process is almost identical for every client. Here is the step most people skip. The AI generates solid structure, but the default layouts are flat. Go into the Design tab after ChatGPT finishes building. Click Designer. PowerPoint's built-in design engine suggests layout variations for every slide. Pick the ones that add visual hierarchy, swap in better fonts, adjust spacing. This takes 5 extra minutes, and it is the difference between a deck that looks AI generated and one that looks professional. That is the configuration trick I promised you. Most people stop after the initial generation. You go one layer deeper and the output quality jumps. Picture what changes when this is your default workflow for client decks, internal training, and content repurposing. You are not spending hours formatting slides anymore. You are spending hours talking to clients and closing next projects. The AI handles the production layer. You handle the strategy and the relationship. That is the actual leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.